In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add multiple videos in CapCut. Let's get started inside CapCut with a project already open in the editor. Once you're in your project, direct your attention to the left-hand side of the screen. Here, you'll find a section called Media. This is where CapCut stores all the files you've brought into your project so far, including videos, images, and sometimes audio. Go ahead and click on Media to open that panel. Inside the media panel, you'll see a collection of everything you've uploaded previously. To bring in new video files, look for the Upload button. Click on Upload, and your computer's file browser will pop up. From here, navigate through your folders to find the video or videos you want to add. You can select a single file or hold down your keyboard shortcuts like Shift or Control on most systems to select multiple clips at once. Once you've chosen the videos you want to use, confirm your selection, and CapCut will begin uploading them into the project. You'll see the new clips appear in the media panel as they finish uploading. Depending on the size and number of files, this might take a little time, so be patient and let the upload process complete before moving on. It's a good idea to wait until all the progress indicators or thumbnails look fully loaded, so you don't run into any issues when you start editing. When your uploads are done, you're ready to add those videos to your timeline. In the media panel, click on one of the video clips, hold down your mouse button, and drag it straight onto the timeline at the bottom of the screen. You can drop it right beside an existing clip if you want the videos to play one after another. This is perfect for building a sequence, like a vlog, a montage, or a tutorial with multiple takes. If you'd rather keep a clip on its own layer, you can drag it above or below an existing track. This creates a separate video track, which is really useful for overlays, picture-in-picture effects, or comparing two shots on different layers. To add the rest of your videos, simply repeat the same process. Pick a clip from the media panel, drag it onto the timeline, and position it exactly where you want it. And that's it. You've successfully added multiple videos in CapCut and placed them on your timeline, ready for trimming, adding transitions, and further editing.